The following is a sample practice test for the refrigeration section of the ICE Facility Operator course material. This is intended for exam preparation and self-study only. Question 1. Which property makes ammonia especially efficient as a refrigerant? A. Low boiling point. B. High latent heat of vaporization. C. Low molecular weight. D. High pressure. The correct answer is B. High latent heat of vaporization. Question 2. Which refrigerant class does not damage the ozone layer but still contributes to climate change? A. CFC. B. HCFC. C. HFC. D. Natural refrigerants. The correct answer is C. HFC. Refrigerants do not damage ozone, but do contribute significantly to climate change. Question 3. Why do higher pressure refrigerants require thicker piping and vessels? A. They are colder. B. They contain more oil. C. They create greater mechanical stress. D. They have higher latent heat. The correct answer, C. Higher pressure creates greater mechanical stress, requiring thicker pipes and stronger vessels for safety. Question 4. At typical ice rink operating pressures, ammonia boils at approximately A. 0 degrees Celsius, B. -5 degrees Celsius, C. -12 degrees Celsius, D. -33 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is C. At typical ice rink operating pressures, ammonia boils at about -12 degrees Celsius, not -33, which is only at atmospheric pressure. Question 5. Which refrigerant has the lowest global warming potential? A. R22. B. R134. C. R12. D. R717. The correct answer is D. Ammonia, R717, has near zero global warming potential, far lower than fluorocarbon refrigerants. Question 6. What does the B in a B2 refrigerant safety classification indicate? A. High flammability. B. High toxicity. C. High pressure. D. High global warming potential. The correct answer is B. The B classification means high toxicity. Ammonia is toxic, which is why it requires additional safety controls. Question 7. Why does lowering evaporator pressure increase cooling capacity? A. It increases refrigerant density. B. It lowers boiling temperature so more heat is absorbed. C. It increases compressor speed. D. It raises discharge pressure. The correct answer is B. Lower evaporator pressure lowers the boiling temperature, allowing the refrigerant to absorb more heat. Question 8. Why does increasing refrigerant latent heat improve system efficiency more than simply lowering the boiling temperature? A. It reduces compressor discharge pressure. B. It allows more heat to be absorbed per kilogram of refrigerant. C. It lowers refrigerant density. D. It eliminates the need for superheat. The correct answer is B. Increasing refrigerant latent heat allows more heat to be absorbed per kilogram of refrigerant during evaporation. This improves system efficiency because the same cooling load can be met with less mass flow, reducing compressor work. Question 9. Why are HFC refrigerants being phased down, even though they do not damage the ozone layer? A. They are toxic at low concentrations. B. They operate at excessively high pressures. C. They have high global warming potential. D. They are incompatible with modern compressors. The correct answer is C. HFC refrigerants are being phased down because they have high global warming potential, even though they do not damage the ozone layer. Question 10. At which point in the refrigeration cycle does the refrigerant absorb heat from the load? A. During compression. B. During condensation. C. During expansion. D. During evaporation. The correct answer is D. Refrigerant absorbs heat from the load during evaporation. As the refrigerant boils in the evaporator, it absorbs latent heat, which provides the cooling effect in the system.